Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Tuesday. I thought I would share my new filming room with you guys today and show you what I ended up doing with the room that I used to film in. If you follow me on Instagram, you already got a little bit of a sneak peek on the new guest bedroom. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's just MrKongsMom. It's always down in the description box down below. So yeah, I thought today we could just take a look at these two rooms. As you can see in the background, I did decide to use a blush color on the walls. I know that it's not for everybody, and I thought for a long time about whether I wanted to go with a shade of pink or not. Just because I know that this is something where if somebody else walked into this house, if we were to sell it in the next few years, they'd probably see this and go, oh, we're gonna have to change that around. But we do intend on being here for a number of years. I'm hoping at least until Stella is done with high school. Craig would like to potentially build our own custom house at some point, so we'll see. I really like this house. I'd like to make this house our forever house, but who knows? Anyway, so there is a little bit of an echo in this room. I'm sorry. It will be like this for a few weeks, depending on how long it takes for the stores here in Oregon to open up again, quite frankly, because there are a few more things that I need to pick up, but being that Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Ikea and all of the normal places that I usually shop at for home decor stuff, those stores are closed. So I just kind of have to work with what I have for the time being. So yeah, sorry about the echo. I hope eventually when I get a couple of chairs in here, and maybe a little bit more onto the walls in terms of artwork or something, it'll help with the echo. Who knows? Or it may just always be like this. I'm sorry. I do like the lighting here a lot better. The sun rises on that side of the house, and I typically film in the morning and early afternoon. That's really the only time of the day that I have to dedicate to doing this YouTube stuff. So it works better for me to be facing the back of the house where the sun isn't like pouring in, as you've seen in a lot of my videos. So anyway, enough of the jibber jabber. I'm gonna show you guys around really quickly, and yeah, then you'll know what is around me. If you're ever watching my videos, you know exactly what is over here, over there, and on the other side. So, all right, let's get into it. Okay, just gonna flip my doodad around here. So what you guys are gonna see behind me is just this Ikea. I think this is now called the Expedit, or maybe it was the Kallax, now it's the Expedit, or the other way around. I have no idea. It's from Ikea, if you want that. It comes in multiple configurations, but anyway, you've probably seen that in the background in my old room as well. But so I put up a picture that I've had for a really long time. I do think I'm gonna end up painting this frame white. I used to really like the wood frame, but not in love with it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably paint that at some point. Over here is a little area where I'm gonna be buying a comfy chair to put there, so that Stella can hang out with me when I'm doing my makeup. She really likes to be in here when I'm getting ready. So I'm gonna get a nice comfy chair for her over there, and also make that like a little reading nook or something for myself. There's a few things that we still have to do in this room. So I am gonna put up curtains, which I think is gonna help with the lighting even more. There's a few of these little outlets that we still have to switch out. So as I've been going through and redoing the different rooms, I have been taking out the plastic white outlet covers and stuff and replacing them with these really nice metal ones that I found at Lowe's. I'll see if I can link this style down below. It's kind of the most classic style that I don't think would look dated at any point in the future. So anyway, I'm switching all of these out. Not an inexpensive thing to do because of the number of outlets that I'm realizing are in all of these rooms, but totally worth it for me. So over here, this is where I sit and get ready. So again, all of this furniture is from Ikea. I've got a really nice closet here that I moved all of my like backup skincare and hair care and just other like beauty related junk. That all is housed in there. My view now is of our backyard and of the neighbors behind us. They're probably gonna think I'm insane at some point. They can look right down into this room, which is another reason why I thought it might be nice to get some shears or something over here. But yeah, so now I'm looking out on our backyard, which is also gonna get redone. So that's gonna be a really pretty view at some point later on this summer. I have left this area wide open for a reason, and by the way, we painted the ceilings as well as the walls. The wall color is Abalone Shell from Sherwin Williams, and the ceiling color is just ceiling white from Sherwin Williams. I selected a satin finish for the paint. But I want to leave this open because when my brother comes to visit, my mom has this really nice air mattress that she can bring with her, and I have like this huge open air. You guys can see there's Penny's toy. She was in here with me this morning. There's this huge area where I can stick that full-sized blow-up bed for my brother so that he doesn't have to sleep on the couch, because as of right now, when he comes with my parents, he has to sleep on the couch in my office. And I think it'd be nice to like give him an actual room to sleep in where he can like put his suitcase and stuff. So I am gonna leave this area open for whenever he comes to visit. So, which probably isn't gonna help with the echo. And as you can see, there are wood floors in this room, whereas the rest of the upstairs, we have this carpet that really does need to be replaced. This is thanks to Penny really liking this area for a potty break. Anyway, here's the old room. It's a guest room now. The same abalone shell is in here. I wasn't initially planning on doing this color in the guest room as well. However, it was less expensive to have the painter do both rooms in the same color than have to switch. So I just said, go ahead and paint this room as well. So with the same color. So this is also the abalone shell. This is a really nice king size bed, mostly for my mom. Most of this furniture that's in here is furniture that I've had for a really long time. So those two side tables came from Costco. Those lamps came from Costco, but the shades came from Target. I decided to leave that little thing in here. So I've got just that little area over there. I'm going to be taking most of the stuff off of that. I was just kind of playing around so that my mom can use it to like put her keys and her phone and all that kind of stuff when she comes to visit. This is now a closet with some of my mama's clothes in it. So she does leave some clothes here so that when she comes down to visit, she, has some dresses and some jackets and stuff. So, and then this is the little, I don't know if you guys ever saw this area back here, but this is just a Jack and Jill bath. So this bathroom goes in here, which is the shower and toilet room. And then over there, Stella has a very similar sink situation. Her sink is much larger, but so my mom now has access to her own bathroom, which I think is really nice. I may have gone a little insane with some of the Opal House accessories from Target. Nice new fluffy towels. Those are all from Costco, by the way. This is also from Opal House. I just wanted something that could hold towels. I didn't want to put a towel rack right here, so this little hanging thing is great. If I can link this, if I can find it online, I'll definitely link it down below because I think it's super cute. And I love the gold with the blush. I think that's my favorite. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's that morning sun. It's crazy. But yeah, so the damage was fixed. If you watch my videos, you know that we had some water damage. There was a little issue with a hailstorm at one point, and it dammed, and it basically forced the water underneath the shingles, and yeah, it came out right there, right on the ceiling there, but it's all fixed. Our painter is really amazing. He does such a good job, and he finished both rooms within a matter of like 2 days. So yeah, anyway, those are the 2 rooms. So that's the window that I used to look out of. I am going to be getting some curtains in here as well, because as you can see, it gets bright in here. And I think it'll be nice to put some nice blackout curtains or something. Maybe I can find some in a really nice, I don't know, like navy color or something. I don't know, I haven't decided, but just something to block out that morning sun. So yeah, anyway, there you guys go. That is, those are the changes that we made. Anyway, let's see, there we go. All right, guys, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to put links for the stuff that I mentioned down below. Maybe I'll remember, maybe I won't. We'll see. But thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.